Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, today bringing you this fantastic looking BMW 2 Series Active Tourer. This example is the Active Tourer 220i M Sport, finished here in this beautiful white paint. As one of our Motor Match approved used vehicles, it'll benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This model also boasts a wealthy list of optional extras such as BMW Navigation Plus, Technology Pack, LED headlights, Driver Comfort Pack, folding wing mirrors, heated front seats, Rear View Assist rear camera, Dakota leather, and even a variable damper controls with an extended light pack, so you can see for yourself it's truly a remarkable and desirable model. Large M Sport alloy wheels will further complement the look, and around the side you will find privacy glass and even keyless entry and start. Being an active tourer, passengers in the rear will be very happy as there's loads of legroom and headroom, and that Dakota black leather looks incredibly comfortable. Two Isofix chat anchor points and the center armors with cup holders should make life easier on longer trips afield. Large twin exhaust pipes and full LED taillights will be found at the back, and when your hands are full, you'll be happy to know there's even a power opening and closing tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous boot space. Shopping hooks, remote releases, and even a 12-volt socket are available, with a hidden compartment underneath for storing items out of public view. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also give you a benefit to an M Sport leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front seat will offer additional side lumbar support to offer maximum comfort, and these are part electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this BMW 2 Series. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once we find ourselves in the driver's seat, the cabin is absolutely gorgeous looking. Decorative door and dash aluminium inserts will give it a bit more of a premium feel, and all the driver control panels are easily logically laid out. The ambient lighting will look gorgeous in the evening, and all the controls are easy to reach. Sports paddle shifts are available, and the multifunction steering wheel can operate cruise control and various trip information, and easy to read dials can also be found ahead, and there's even a full addition of a HUD head-up display function. The upgraded Navigation Plus system gives you a bit more of a wider screen, and the rotary dial will give you access to various multimedia functions such as CD player and external devices, and music is also delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Bluetooth pairing process is incredibly easy and will allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends, and the built-in navigation will ensure you never ever get lost, as it offers both 2D and 3D view angles. BMW's connected drive functionality can be utilized as an option should you wish to find it useful, give you access to a number of apps and concierge services. A vehicle information tab will also let you know what is happening to your BMW at any given moment, and the car even stores previous service history as those that you can see on the screen right now. Various other vehicle settings are also available and will allow you to optimize the feel of this BMW, and the rear parking camera will be fully complemented by front and rear audible and visual parking sensors. As you move down the cabin, various shortcuts will be on offer, as well as a very convenient 2-zone climate control system for you and the front passenger. Fully complemented by those 3-stage heated seats, it will keep you warm and cozy during the winter months. As we move further down the center console, you'll see for yourself this gloss black finish with a deep cup holders and center armors featuring USB connectors, as well as a more than plentiful glove box as well for storing items out of view. The vehicle also comes with numerous drive modes prioritizing sportiness, comfort, or a more economical drive prioritizing fuel economy. This has been a presentation of the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer M Sport that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.